Hey everybody, welcome back to Wolf Phone Repairs. This is going to be a bit of a longer video, so stick around if you like repairs. We're going to fix this 13 Pro Max rear housing. First, we'll take out the bottom screws. This has already been heated up off camera, so let's get it into the screen removal jig and separate the screen from the phone. I use a lot of isopropyl alcohol here, which is safe with OLED technology. Next, we'll remove the cowlings and fully separate the screen. Then back onto the heat pad to loosen the adhesive and remove the battery so we can access the 5G antenna and remove the logic board entirely. Then I go ahead and remove the camera and all the other components, the front-facing camera and the logic board as well, and get it all out of the phone, as well as the top speaker. There's a ton of tiny screws and parts. Then we'll go ahead and start reassembling it into the new housing, putting everything back just like we found it. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and clean the frame for the new liquid resistant seal, which is a very labor intensive job, has to be done really well and clean so that the new seal adheres properly. And I'm going to speed that up even more than it already is. It's a seriously tedious part of the job. Then we get the battery re-adhered and apply the new seal and get everything closed back up. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like